Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we'll be firing up the Lone Star Grillz offset smoker again. We're going to do some chicken thighs and we're going to do some jalapeno poppers. So y'all stick around, I'll show y'all what we're working with. For the chicken thighs, we're going to use some Sucker Busters SPG Original, and just got a pack of boneless, skinless thighs there. And I did pre-make my jalapeno poppers. They are homemade. Just slice your peppers in half, seed them, get the stem out, and I made some homemade filling. I'll tell you about that in a little while. It's a nice little dusting. This stuff is really good, y'all. Alright. And on our poppers, we're going to hit them with, you guessed it, baby, some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve, man, at UncleSteveShake.com. And Sucker Busters over at SuckerBusters.com. This stuff is so good, especially on seafood and poppers, y'all. Just give it a little dusting right there. And man, you talk about smoke them on a grill. It's like a party in your mouth. Look at that, 225, man. This thing rocks. Jalapeno poppers. There's our thighs. Now hear a little thunder back there. So once again, anyway, gang, I want to show y'all right quick. Y'all see this heat baffle right here? I don't know if y'all can see the fire down in there. But anyway, cross flow technology. I've been meaning to tell y'all about this. It comes up evenly all the way across here and all the way across here on both grates. So we get very even cooking from end to end. I mean, you're not going to be 10 degrees from side to side like on your typical offsets and what have you. The way Chris designed this, man, the heat comes up here and comes down the bottom, and the way the stack comes out here, it carries that heat very evenly across the top and bottom grates. Now the top grate may be 10 degrees or so hotter than the bottom one, but very efficient grill. But anyway, just wanted to share that with y'all right quick, just a little tidbit of information. I put one big cherry log on here. Started with a little bit of lump charcoal, and I've been going probably about an hour. But very, very, very efficient, y'all. Very efficient. So anyway, we're waiting on the chicken to get back, and we're gonna actually do something cool with that chicken once it's done. And I'll tell you about that in a minute. Alright, y'all hear that thunder? We're trying to get this chicken and stuff done. Poppers are looking good. I did flip my chicken one time. Quick temp check. Oh yeah, baby. 152. 152. Told y'all it cooks even. 151. Look at that. Nice, huh? Alright. Back in a little bit. Chicken is done. It is storming outside, so I ran out there with the umbrella and pulled it off. But man, that looks nice. It smells good. Then the poppers are done. Everything looks pretty good, y'all. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Chicken rested for just a minute. Now, what we're going to do, we're actually, as the rain stops in a minute, hopefully we'll go back out and use the griddle. What we're going to do is make some buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwiches out there. So we got the chicken cooked. Poppers are just for a snack while we cook, you know that. But so, and I do have a buffalo sauce I'm gonna make. Y'all come down here, let me show y'all what we're working with. And it's a very simple recipe, y'all. And just smoke your chicken like you regularly would. Right here in my big bowl, I've actually got 1 cup of Colby Jack. You can use Monterey Jack, whatever blended cheese you like. 2/3 cup of cheddar cheese. And I hadn't used this before. This is whipped cream cheese, and we're going to use 1 cup of that in this sauce. So we'll get 1 cup ready to go. That looks like a cup to me. So we're going to put this junk in here. And we're going to need a 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo sauce. I'm not making homemade today. Just buffalo wild wings sauce. We're going to get a 1/2 cup of that. Well, that smells pretty good, gotta tell y'all. 1/2 cup going in. And we're going to mix all this up. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to set that to the side. We're going to get our chicken chopped up. So let me get that on the cutting board. I'll be right back. Just chop it up, y'all. Know what I mean? Dang, y'all seen that juice squirt out of there? Well, y'all know we got to try a piece of this. We need 2 cups, but you know what? Y'all come up here. Cheers to you, gang. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Holy smokes. I don't know what it is about that Lone Star Grillz offset, but that thing makes the best chicken I think I've ever tasted. Jeez, I love that. That's good. Alright, back to work. Okay. And what we need, 2 cups of chopped up chicken. So let me finish getting all this chopped up. Now watch y'all fingers. And I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, we got our 2 cups of chicken chopped up. Let's try one of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake Papas. And for that, gang, I'll come back up here. Very good stuff, man. Very simple little recipe right there. Wow. Fantastic. So what I did, a pound of ground meat, 1/2 cup of cheddar, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. Cook your ground meat, season it like you want. Add in your, fold in your cream cheese and your cheddar cheese. Mix it up and you stuff your peppers with that, wrap it in bacon. Just smoke them off on the grill, you know, till your bacon's done. And that's good stuff. So, alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our chicken into our buffalo sauce mixture. This is going to be good, y'all. This is going to be good. I mean to tell you. Look at the juice in the bottom of the measuring cup. And we're just going to stir all this up real good. And this recipe actually came from Disney World. I was watching Sam the cooking guy, and he made this, and man, it looked good. So what we're gonna do, let me grab our bread and I'll meet y'all back here in just a minute. We've got this regular old white bread. Just take and fill that dude up like that and just spread it around evenly. Make sure you get it to all the sides and everything. Let me get these built up. We're going to put that on there and put some garlic butter spread on there. I just made 3 for now. But just load that dude up like that. Top it with your other slice of bread. And we're going to put some butter garlic spread on the top there. Just like that. And once we get it on the griddle, and I like to go all the way out to the edges with mine and get that nice brown all the way to the edge there. Alright, so let me get these finished up and I'll meet y'all out at the Lone Star offset, and we're going to get that, make sure that griddle is hot. We're going to get this cooked done. So let's get these sandwiches on here. Butter side down. That's what you're looking for, baby. Ooh, that smells good, good, good. And we're just going to give them a couple minutes on each side. While that side's cooking. And freehand, I'm not bringing my tripod out in all this water. So let me switch hands right quick. Y'all pardon me. We're going to get this other side buttered. You ever notice when you're shooting a video, all the noise in the world just kind of shows up? I've been pretty lucky here. Alright. We'll let these go for just a minute and we'll be back check on them. About 2 minutes. Let's flip these dudes. Ooh, man, look at that. Nice, huh? Alright, a couple more minutes on this side. We'll be back. Okay, a couple minutes on that side. Let's get these dudes off of here. Oh, it smells good. Golly. The little garlic spread smells fantastic, y'all. I am digging this Lone Star Grillz offset smoker. This thing is bad to the bone, y'all. Alright, I'll meet y'all inside. Let's go ahead and cut it. Let's see what we got, y'all. Look at there. Look at there. Dang. Oh, y'all come up here, let's get a bite. Try out this recipe. Cheers to you, gang. Tell you what, that griddle does a good job, doesn't it? Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. That is really good. The cheeses, the buffalo sauce, the smokiness, and salt and pepper in the chicken, and then that butter garlic spread. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that ain't no joke. I'll be making that again. That is really good. Alright, gang. We're going to get out of here. Y'all have a good evening. Thank y'all for stopping by again. Go check out UncleSteveShake.com. Got some excellent rubs over there. Check out SuckleBusters.com. Excellent rubs over there. Y'all go check out my buddy Chris over at LoneStarGrills.com and check out his products, man. I'm having so much fun with this thing, if you can't tell. Anyway, we out of here. Y'all have a good evening. We'll see y'all next time.